So guys, click and type TV. You can see here, if you are using Windows 10, so it will show here movie and TV. If you are using Windows 11, so you can see film and TV. Just right click, go to app setting, click on app setting, then wait few seconds, it will open app setting. After that you have to repair and restore, then scroll down. So first click to repair. Now you can see here it is working. After that just single click to reset. Okay, it will complete. After that click to terminate. Okay, then click to terminate. Okay, and then close it. Then again click to open. Then guys, next method. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.